Okay, so do you want to hear the truth? Email marketing can sometimes get really difficult, especially when you're aiming to get reasonable returns on all of your email marketing efforts. Now, it could be that you're struggling to grow your subscribers from scratch, or you're just trying to maintain and keep the same subscribers you've already grown in the past. Also, there's a struggle with the new regulations that keep popping up every now and then when it comes to email marketing. Now, I've had the opportunity to do things myself, and I've also worked with agencies, so I understand the stress that's really involved with email marketing. Now, this is why I'm willing to share all that I've gathered in my experience with email marketing. So in this video, I'm going to teach you some very practical solutions that almost every email marketer keeps facing. You've more than likely have faced it already, or you're still more likely to face it in the future. And at the end of this training, you should be able to effectively scale your email marketing and achieve all the goals that you've set in your business. So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And for all you new guys, my name is Donnell R. Jones. And on this channel, I'm passionate about teaching people how to build a profitable online business with the top strategies and tips with email marketing. Now make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I got an awesome bonus for you that you don't want to miss out on. Alright, so with that being said, let's get right into it. Okay, so some of the most common issues I hear about when it comes to email marketing are things like, trying to boost your open rates, the deliverability of emails, and click-through rates, and also the struggle to remain compliant with the rules and regulations. Now, when you look through all of these, you discover that it boils down to the kind of strategy that you have in place. Now, it doesn't matter how big or how small your business or your company is, but the simple truth is that you must definitely need a marketing strategy put in place. And that's probably one, if not the only way to hit the goals that you've set. You see, there's a framework that's been outlined by experts, and it's commonly said that it's one sure way to hit those goals. And that's what we'll be looking at in today's video. Now, in building a marketing strategy that will be effective, now there are three key things that you have to put into consideration. All right, it's the need for segmentation of your emails, the significance of personalization of your emails, and the potency of analysis backed by concrete data. Okay, so the first point, which is segmentation of emails, simply refers to a process in which you split your subscribers into sections or segments using a certain criteria or factors. Now, this could be based on their activity on your site, the history of purchase, or their location in segmentation. Simple, of course, but is it important? It's very important. Now, with segmentation, you've got assurance that your message is going to the intended receiver at the intended time. Now, the DMA, which is Data and Marketing Association, was able to discover through research that about 77% of all return on investments in email marketing came from campaigns that were targeted and through proper segmentation. Now, with context and great content, you'll be effectively hitting your target and saving time for both your audience and yourself. So now that you know this, you're probably wondering, well, how do I go about segmentation? Well, take a look at this. With segmentation, you're considering two very important things: the buyer's journey and your buyer's personas. Okay, so when your emails go to the intended receiver, it means you've pretty much understood the journey of the said buyer and also know who they are. Now, the buyer personas are simply a representation of whom your customers are by pretty much making use of some real data and speculations. Now, these might include studies on their demographics, their goals, motivation, and behavior. So while the buyer journey is simply the process the buyer goes through before they make a purchase, the buyer's journey comprises of actually three stages. First is the awareness stage, second is the consideration stage, and third is the final decision stage. Okay, so the second key point is with personalization. Now, every customer now expects to get personalized messages, and this isn't negotiable, no matter what company is sending the message. Okay, So with personalization, you make use of your audience data to send messages that you feel and sound like you're actually talking directly to them. Now, a number of marketing channels might allow you to carry out personalization, but emails is a very good way to get personalization right, and it constantly improves. It's simply like having, a personal service. The professional word for this is actually behavioral email, and it's a system of sending automated emails to your subscribers based on how they've interacted with your company in the past. And with behavioral emails, you afford your contacts and subscribers, you afford them pretty much an opportunity to experience personalization. For example, OpenTable is a platform that speaks directly to this method. You can easily make online reservations, and whatever your favorite restaurants are, they remember. Also, they make great recommendations of new spots by making use of your past experiences with other restaurants. And another very good example of this is Spotify. Now, with their behavioral emails, they let fans of artists get exclusive content and reminders. Oh, by the way, if you're getting value out of this video, please go ahead and smash that like button for me. It helps with the algorithm. Okay, so our third and final key point is the potency of analysis backed by real data. Now, in our present world, customers are dynamic, constantly changing the way they work and pretty much how they do things. And with analysis, you're able to move along and stay up to date with these changes that they undergo. Analyzing your emails regularly helps you achieve these, and taking note of these changes and including it is a key part of your inbound marketing strategy. So this way, you make your customers feel wanted and give them the urge to pretty much just keep on conversating with you. Now, if you want to carry out analysis and also include it in your marketing, now you'll have to take note of this framework. First, you'll have to track any metrics that will matter to your analysis. Second, you'll have to really understand those metrics and what they represent in your overall efforts. You need to know what they're really moving and what's drawing back. And third, you'll have to learn to apply all that you've learned to improve the very next email that you'll be sending out. So pretty much in a nutshell, with email marketing, you really have a potent tool in your hand. And if you put in the required effort, you'll create a really excellent, effective marketing strategy. Now, I know this tutorial is just skimming the surface on email marketing. So to improve your email marketing efforts, or even if you're a beginner, this is what I want you to do. I want you to click the link in the description and quickly sign up for the free masterclass. Now, I don't want to give up too much away, but in this free training, you'll learn how to build a massive email list with a strategy, software, and a platform created by one of our top internet earners. And now, he's going to share all of the secrets with you. Just click the link in the description and quickly sign up. You got to remember, guys, the money is in the list. Now, and I also want to hear from you as well. Now, if you have any questions or comments about email marketing or about email list building, leave them in the comments section and I will quickly answer them. And I also have links in the description to more email marketing and email list building tutorials as well. You should check those out as well. Well, guys, I appreciate you watching this video. Smash that like button if you got value out of this video. I need you to subscribe to my channel so you'll stay up to date with the exclusive content that I'll be putting out. Have a safe day. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Remember, smash that like and subscribe button. And guys, if you really want to learn how to build an email list and take advantage of email marketing training, sign up for the free masterclass. I'm telling you, this training will change the way you look at an email address overall. All right, guys, you stay safe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.